You can ask any question. Who is Robert Smith? And we use the same tags to provide immediate personalization of the greeting and the service. On the platform, it's also synchronized in real time. If I go to Ethan profile, I could see a centralized view that is combining all the data that the staff should know about him. Organizing events, no matter if you're a sporting club, federation, league, or agency, is highly complex. But above all, there is one category of guests which is very hard for operations to manage and provide the best service. I'm talking about the VIPs. Operations have limited awareness about when they are coming. They may come with accompanying guests, and it's very hard for the guest relations to personalize the meet and greet and the service along their stay. In this video, you will see how the Gaia platform and application are assisting the work for operations to provide world-class journeys at scale. Let's get started. So first of all, there are 5 challenges of VIP management. Error-prone manual tasks, lack of situational awareness, difficult in real-time reporting, struggling to access data, and ineffective communication across teams. I'm going to walk you through every step of the journey. Before the events, AI assistance for guest relations, adding contacts, sending and accepting invites, receiving event tickets, and messaging between staff and guests. During the event, notifications upon arrival, seamless recognition, guest management through voice or text, real-time journey management, and centralized guest profiling. Let's start before the event. So first, you access the platform. And you can see Gaia Pulse, which is an AI assistant. You can ask any question. Who is Robert Smith? You will have immediately the answer to avoid you spending time searching for information. This is called Gaia Pulse. It's still in beta testing. There are contacts, registered lists, journeys, issues, invitations, locations, geofencing, guest details, event management. So here there is one event, the Grand Prix in the UAE in December 25. You can create different occasions and locations. In that location, you can say, I want to define different occasions for that particular event. Let's say the race. The race has different areas, check-in, airport meet and greet, etc. And of course, you can modify these areas, which is going to be synchronized with the Gaia application. Now we go to contacts. We're going to add a contact. This contact is now added. We're going to send invitations, so you can define invitations the way you want. It's highly customizable. You can also make dynamic links for the first, last names, the event name. Let's give a name, invitation to the Grand Prix. Let's send it to François Chabaudy. You can send invitation also through WhatsApp or SMS. Once the invitation is being sent, you receive it by email. As you can see here, if I click on the link, I'm going to receive another email with a QR code. I just need to show the QR code to the staff, and I'll be checked in on the Gaia application. There is also the ability to chat between staff and guests. So imagine that on the left side is the staff phone and on the right is the guest. Through the Gaia application and guest app, they can chat on a one-to-one basis. And all of this is just the tip of the iceberg. We can help guest operations receiving notifications upon arrival. So of course, the guests need to have an app, which is linked with our geofencing network. When they're entering the venue, they can be seamlessly recognized by either the Bluetooth tag, the Bluetooth pass, the badge that they have for the events, or a camera, the staff you will see can use text or voice to report feedback or search guest information. And then back on the platform, I'm going to show you the real-time journey and a centralized guest profile. The protocol starts at the airport arrival, but we're going to skip this phase. VIPs leave the hotel, heading to the stadium. Here we use geofencing technology, basically GPS network, around venues outdoor to trigger notifications when they're either entering or leaving large areas. We use Bluetooth tag in close proximity to automatically confirm the status of the VIPs. And we use the same tags to provide immediate personalization of the greeting and the service. There is another touchpoint we use, which is CCTV camera with facial authentication. Same principle, but when fans approach, they don't need to carry a Bluetooth tag. As soon as they're near the camera, they can be automatically recognized. This is the automated check-in. Now, on the Gaia app, you can see that every tab corresponds to what I showed you earlier on the platform. You can search any guest by typing their name, confirm and check them in within a second. You can also do it by voice. If I say Aram Carter, I can select him very easily and also check him like this. You receive notifications when VVIPs arrive. So now I'm going to search for Ethan and input by voice a note. Ethan would like to see a great view of the city before leaving. This is reported to other staff. I'm going to record as well an issue about him. His driver was late at the airport. So now I have reported an issue and a note about Ethan. If we use the seamless guest recognition, so the issue is being reported, as you can see now there is a little exclamation mark. Now if we use the seamless recognition on nearby, when he's physically approaching a staff, his profile pops up and you can see the issue and the note that have been reported. This is really helping operations immediately be aware about something that can go wrong. On the platform, it's also synchronized in real time. If I go to Ethan profile, I could see a centralized view that is combining all the data that the staff should know about him. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. This is how technology can help assist operations provide a very smooth, human-centric, warm experiences at scale during events.